Hello everybody and welcome to the first iteration of LODE Project updates for 2019. So happy to have you all joining us today. If this is your first time joining us, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and check out lode.one to learn about the project and join us on all our social channels. Today I have David from Atomic 47 joining us, a regular guest on the show. Dave, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
I know that we have a lot on the agenda for the first quarter of 2019 alone. Yep. But I suppose the first thing that's kind of on the tip of everyone's tongue is that just before the holiday season, we had our token generation event. It was very successful. But the next step in that process is distribution and wallets. So can you provide us a view into what that's going to look like and sort of a timeline?
Yes, I can. Well, it is, of course, the next logical step towards enabling our community to utilize both our tokens. And we've been talking with our partners over at Coin Payments and Blockchain Foundry to provide us both cold storage solutions and cloud solutions, while also working with our banks to provide custody solutions. So we are going to have a number of different options in front of our community based on their understanding or responsibility around cryptocurrency, meaning that they would like us to be responsible for certain things. So it's not just going to be one thing. It will be a number of different wallets that we're providing.
Awesome.
Within Q1.
Great. Well, I'm looking forward to seeing more about that in the near future. One step beyond the wallets, though, is of course exchangeability and exchanges. And I know that we've been utilizing our partners to bring us closer to what being on an exchange. Can you give us some insight there?
We're working with 3 different exchanges right now, and it is our expectation by the end of Q1 that we will be listed on those 3. We're working with Blockchain Foundry and their partners, as well as Coin Payments and our bank for various opportunities to enable the transactability and the liquidity that people expect around crypto.
Great. Speaking of growing and expanding, I believe that we've added a new member to the Atomic team. Is that right?
Yes, we're getting a little bit more specialized on the team, and the team is growing. We brought on a user experience designer. Cameron is going to help the tech guys and the leadership team provide a more efficient and a more pointed view on what needs to be built, as well as working with the community to understand what their needs are in terms of interactive products.
Awesome. Well, I can't wait to see. I know he's a super talented individual. Can't wait to see the work he does on the front end. Switching gears now, LODE is obviously a very huge component of the project at large, but the second part of that is AGX. And I know that we've been making some headway with the financial modeling there. Can you give us a view?
Yeah, we're trying to work to ensure that AGX is as easy to use as some of the currencies in the world. Some of them are difficult, but a lot of them are very easy to use, tappable as a credit card or a debit card, but also the transaction fees have to be minimal. And so we're currently working to ensure that the network itself can sustain itself in perpetuity, while also providing enough fees to pay the service providers to do the work that they're doing and minimize the impact, because one of the things we're trying to do is establish a new sound money, and it can't be as expensive as some of the card solutions out there.
Absolutely. And speaking of cards, we have a lot of momentum in the media right now. I know that you recently did an interview with Routers, but talk to me a little bit about the enabling process that's going on here, and what sort of things do you have on the docket for 2019?
Well, we have all the different use cases for money, and we are pursuing each of them. So we would like it to be accessible through ATMs. We actually are looking at POS systems and a number of them. And we are looking at debit and credit cards. Debit card being the killer app for the future, and there will probably be a runway of getting to that from credit cards. But it has to be that easy to use. It can't be as difficult as some experiences with crypto.
Absolutely, I can't agree with you more on that one. That's all we really had slated for today, but Dave, is there any other sort of facts that you want to go over that people can look forward to?
We'll be starting to come to events, and we'll be in Acapulco in February, and we are going to be at the retail show in the UK in April. So we're getting out there, we're looking to enable merchant networks, we're looking to enable the usage of AGX as currency and sound money. So we're starting to get that word out, because now we've got our tokens, we soon have our wallets, the exchanges will be there, and the use cases are what we're working on next.
Absolutely fantastic. Can't wait to see you guys bring the vision even further to light and watch the community grow even larger than it already has. Thank you everybody for tuning in today. Again, this was the first iteration of project updates for 2019. We'll hope you join us for next time. Please go ahead and subscribe if this is your first time. Check out lode.one to learn more details about the project. And as always, hop onto our Telegram channel. We're very social and we love to see you guys there. That's it for today, and take care.